Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
做马哥呀！
让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hello there, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and what you're listening to right now is a distinctive sound called the Hakka Ba'ing, which has close ties to early Hakka ethnic groups. Ba'ing troops are often invited to perform at Hakka ceremonies, with various instruments seemingly in conversation with one another, each telling a different story. What you're listening to right now is Hsinchu's Senjing Xinxinxuan Beiguan Ba'ing troops performance of the song Da Ba Ban or Tai Ba Ban, which begins cheerfully, creating an atmosphere like a temple march, and then the rhythm builds into a display of fireworks before ending in silence. From beginning to end, the piece depicts a vibrant and energetic scene. So let's take a listen to Tai Ba Ban.客家八音与早期客家族群生活紧密相连，由于八有发的寓意，因此在客家的生命礼俗、岁时节庆、神明成诞等喜庆宴会中，经常邀请八音团演出。演奏时，各种乐器仿佛彼此对话，诉说着不同的故事。而由新竹县宝山乡深井新兴轩北管八音团所演奏的大八板Tai Ba Ban，以欢快的旋律来开场，营造庙会般的热闹气氛。随后跳动的节奏与反复的乐音，酝酿着重头戏烟火的绽放，也就是乐曲的最高潮。直到柔和的尾声出现，宛如盛会落幕，归于寂静。整首乐曲展现了充满生命力与活力的生活场景。Learning about different cultures through traditional music, and in this case, the Hakka Ba'ing known as Tai Ba Ban. Thank you for listening. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.